This method can help to provide key information in the field of oncology, such as the identification of putative target genes in pathogenetic mechanisms to develop potential therapeutic interventions. The main advantage of this technique is that one can detect the interaction of NFAT2 and other transcription factors with known and novel target genes. Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because optimal fixation and shearing conditions are difficult to establish.
To begin, fill a 1.5 ml tube with 1 ml of 37% formaldehyde. Then, fill another 1.5 ml tube with 1 ml of 1.25 molar glycine and a 5 ml tube with 4 ml of PBS. Next, after the stimulation of the cells, spin the cells according to the text protocol and resuspend the cells in 500 microliters of PBS and place the tube in an ice-filled box. Add 13.5 microliters of 37% formaldehyde to the cells and mix by pipetting up and down. Then incubate the suspension at room temperature. After this, add 57 microliters of 1.25 molar glycine to stop the fixation and allow the suspension to incubate at room temperature for 5 minutes. Immediately following the incubation period, place the cells on ice and centrifuge the cells at 500 times G for 5 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. Then, aspirate.